Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at these little hangers that I've made that allow the water to flow from the pipes a lot easier into the drain. So let's have a look at it. So before we start, I just thought to quickly explain the reason why I decided to make these, and it was quite simple really. We were away in the caravan, and what happened was we had a drain that sat above ground level. So as the water was going down, it was backing up because it was at the wrong angle and it wasn't allowing it to flow in properly. So we were having, when you emptied the sink, the shower filled up with water slightly, which was a bit annoying. First I thought it was because the van wasn't level, but when I checked the van it was perfectly level. So I then worked it out, but it was this particular drain that was the issue. So I looked at the piping system and I thought, well, we know it's great, and I know with this one it's collapse. They do the pegs, but as much as they're really a good idea, I just thought that it's just a bit of extra weight, whereas the idea here is very lightweight and it can actually fit inside the bag along with the pipes. So let's take a look at how I made them. So to make this simple little strap set, all you need to do is get yourself a metre of awning piping. Now this one in particular is 6mm, which is ideal for the bottom awning rail. Now the Velcro that I was using for it, rather than just buy a roll of Velcro and sew it on, what I decided to do was get these ones with these little tabs, as you can see, these eyelets. And very simply what you do is you feed your Velcro through and you can back attach it like so, and you've got a loop. Now what I like about this is it's a lot more adjustable because you can make this longer and you can make it shorter, which is great for the idea that we're going to be using today. Now all you do is simply mark yourself about 40 centimetres on there, place this tape of the Velcro with the Velcro side downwards and this little loop facing upwards, and then sew across like so. Now I sewed in two places just to give it an extra support. I'll just show you what I mean. So as you can see here, my sewing is not perfect, but it does the job. We've sewn across like so, and again there. Now I did this in a gold colour so it'd stand out so you could see it on the film. But personally I'd either use black or white. But it doesn't really matter so long as it holds it together. Now when I cut it, I also burnished the edges a little bit because this is nylon. I just used a lighter just to melt it, but don't go too mad, otherwise you'll set it on fire. And there you have it. That simply sits like that. All you do now is feed this through here, and again you've got your adjustment like so, and that feeds into your awning rail. So all in, I think 4 of them break down at roughly about £4.20. Well everyone, that was the support tapes for the waste pipe. I'll let you make your own mind up whether you think it's a good idea or not. It wasn't mine. I copied it from someone that I'd seen advertising them on eBay. Well folks, that's all I've got for you today. I'd like to say thank you very much for joining us, and I would hope that you would like, share and subscribe. But in the meantime, bye for now.